Yo, 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 what's up, YouTube family? I'm about to run into the mall real quick, man. Springfield Mall and get these shirts done. Get some, get these shirts done real quick, man. I know y'all probably don't want to see the mall, but I gotta put something on here real quick, alright? So, see what I got this on. So, I'm gonna show y'all real quick anyway. It ain't gonna be no long video, just a little something, something. Matter of fact, y'all might see something y'all like. Come up here and check it out. Up in the Springfield Mall, man. I just wanna change one setting on here. There we go. I like to do it on there. I don't like to spin it around to the high and the low. Let's see if this door, let's say emergency only. So this one should open right here. I don't even know what time they close. I don't even see nothing on the doors that say they close. But we in here now anyway. They got Cajun Rubies over here. Everybody love Annie's. They must be about to close soon. Because Annie's not crowded. They usually always crowded. We got K Jewelers over here. I hope it picked it up, man. This joint be getting a little funny on me. I'm still working on it, trying to figure this out. Hopefully it picked up Invicta watches. But nope. See, I don't mess with like these little stands right here. That's a real jewelry store over there. Yeah, I ain't even gonna show y'all them joints. I ain't even gonna show y'all them. Look. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. So yeah, we gonna head on down here. I like this store too. Some cool stuff in here, some cool shirts for men. Some cool button ups, some cool pants, slacks. I had a hat done with my man over here before. He was pretty alright. Head on down here. Downtown Julie Brown. Springfield Mall, man. Springfield, Delaware County. Right over here is where they had a Santa Claus and the Easter Bunny. And when they don't have that, then they have these little pandas and elephants and stuff in there. We're gonna keep on moving. Keep on moving. We're going to the shirt joint. Should be down here. Here we go. Tees Me's. This is where I go. You got some cool shirts in here. They put whatever you want on your joint. But I already got mine linked up. And I just come in and let them do it. Look at this. Of course, right? No Eagle stuff. Just walk back here and let them do them real quick. Hello. How you doing? I got some hoodies I wanted to get my logo on them. And you have it on file. So, the logo.
What's the logo?
All Star Cycles and Cars.
You said it's on file?
Yes. I'm gonna go walk on up to the Foot Locker real quick while she doing them shirts. Hudson Eagles. So yeah, Brotherly Love over there. GameStop. Everybody buy online now. GameStop be empty. What I am looking for is some ones in the color brown, white and brown. I need some sneakers like that color. Really want some ones. I see something else. Grab them Jones. See what they got going on here. See what they got going on in the Foot Locker. They got little kids. New Balance. Oh, they pushing a New Balance. This is nice. I like this material. It's kind of slick. Really coming, I can right past all these jobs. I'm probably not going to do no talking because I'm going to play some music because they have music playing in here. I don't really want that down there. Cover match my hoodie. It's brown. I really like these shorts though. Yo. 135. No sir. Oh. I wear these though. I would. Size. I like all these. I like that color. That red. I like that orange. Look, like that for that. Nice. Together? Yeah, for sure, right? They don't have a jacket for it. They don't have the jacket. I like this color too. These almost look like the other Jones, but not. They don't have a brown. How you doing?
Hi.
All right. Yeah, these are the 9. These two. Dang, $49. Wow. All right, can I get up here, please?
You like to try it on?
Yes.
This is a 9, but I'll grab your fresh pair from the bag.
Okay.
If that's a good fit.
Okay. I'd like to try your right foot. This is a 9. I have to open this up a little bit, man. I'll let y'all in a minute, man.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
This was brown.
Laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
It's because it's got this black right here. Black right here. This is the only thing I really don't care for. I have to leave with these.
Moonlights,
One.
summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
These were. Done back up there. Let's see what they have. Okay. She's taking kind of long. I thought she wasn't gonna find them Jones. She wasn't gonna find them.
olvídate, porque la vida mejoraste y yo no te vuelvo. Se vuelve tu foto.
I like the Air American Eagle too. They be having some cool stuff in here. They got a Route 21. I don't mess with this store though. But check it out. Speedway jacket. Not for me, but somebody. So we got them, man. We copped them joints real quick. American Eagle had some cool jeans. I like the way these jeans fit. Buy one, get one 50% off. And their jackets. I like their jean jackets. Nice little jacket right there. Oh, look, they got some pants over here. See, I like something like this. Matter of fact, I like these. I might like these better. I might like these better, man. 60 bucks. No, too light. I might take them other ones back. Give me some cargos, kind of on the darker side. Darker side. I'm gonna look around a little more though. I don't know about brown ones. Fur around the hood, that should be reasonable right now. The price on that? Let's see. It's 99 bucks. Jeans. This cover. Let's see what they look like. Let's see what they. Oh yeah, these look like the ones I already got. Let's see them lines when I got something like that. Probably need darker ones. Hey now. Head on down here and shirt should be ready. Hoodies. Sorry, what's up? 20 of. On a little escalator, John. Pick these shirts up. I wanted to hit the Christiana Mall, but I'm not gonna have enough time. I might take y'all through there another day, man. All right, man, we're gonna head on down and pick up these hoodies. I'll probably show y'all the hoodies, and then that's about it, man. Like I said, a little short video, a little something light, but we're getting ready to get into some more exciting stuff coming up this weekend, man. So stay tuned. Show y'all what this looks like going down. Bam, get off and we right here. Back at Tease Me's. Miss Cupcake. like this crazy looking shirt. This is dope. I like that. Like that. That's my guy right here. See if we done for fun. One, bro. All right. Man, is it raining out here? Man, it almost closed this joint down on me. I think I'm like the last one in here, man. I was nervous. Oh, here we go. Emergency door. Can't get back in. Ooh. All right, man. Got my shirts done. That's what took so long. You got a couple people out here waiting for their folks to get off of work. Man, I was walking around for a minute. Like, am I going to be able to get out of here? All right, man. Like I said, a little lightweight video. I'll show y'all the shirts later. I was going to show y'all in there, but we was rushing trying to get out there, John. And I kind of forgot. So, do me a favor, man. Hit that like button. We're still talking about the giveaway. Probably going to do a watch giveaway for the low. All right. Comment. Send me a comment and subscribe to the channel. Tell somebody about the channel. I'll let y'all later, man. Peace.
It's caught in the crossfire.
Let me see your war face.